Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2001 Ford Focus and I want to show you how to do a fog lamp bulb. It's going to be a very easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So here we go. You're going to come right in over here. I'm underneath the vehicle, so I'm going to wear my safety glasses in case anything falls. Here's the back side of our fog lamp assembly. This is the wiring. All you want to do is grab this little tab right here, give it a lift, pull this, take a peek. If you see any green, blue, red, rust, dirt, anything, you're going to have to make a decision. You can either clean it or replace it. This one looks good, so we're not going to worry about that. Now we're going to grab our bulb. We're going to turn it counterclockwise, and you can pull it right out. So there we are. This bulb number is an 899. So now let's say that you've got a brand new bulb, you're ready to install it, you don't want to touch the glass, only hold the plastic. You're going to come back up, you're going to line up these tabs with those slots. Bring it up, line them up, turn it clockwise, grab your wiring harness, click it in, give it a nice little tug, and off you go. Now all you'd want to do is just check to make sure it functions properly.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.